Those restrained in thought, word, and deed, they are the true perfectly restrained. Those who restrained in thought, word, and deed, they are the true perfectly trained. Dhammapad 234. The wise are restrained in body, they are restrained in speech as well. They are also well disciplined in mind. They who have safeguarded the three doors, body, speech, and mind, are supremely restrained. Restrained in body are the wise, in speech as well as they are restrained. Likewise are they restrained in mind, they are perfectly restrained. Dhammapad 234. কায়েন সংবুটা ধীরা অথ বাসায় সংবুটা মনসা সংবুটা ধীরাতে বে সুপরিসংবুটা। Dhammapad 234.